Now we have to learn second method of comparison of cells, and it is sum and difference method. Now, so here in this method, we have to use both the cells simultaneously in a different combination. So the experimental arrangement is as shown below. I told you the common part here. So this is common part. This is A, B. This is a potentiometer wire A and B. Now this is a battery, driving battery. This is key. Then this is rheostat. So that much is common in all these galvanometer, means this potentiometer experiment. Now here between galvanometer and this point A, everything is different. Now here this is E1 plus minus, and then here we can use four-way key. Four-way keys means it's a combination of four keys. Now here we can use E2. So this is the experimental arrangement. Now we have to remember what is sum and what is difference arrangement. Now you can see here, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Now next one, sum arrangement. You can see the sum arrangement here. Sum arrangement means you can see this is sum arrangement. Negative of cell E1 is connected to positive of the cell 2. It is called as sum arrangement. Difference arrangement is opposite to that. Negative of E1 is connected to negative of E2 is called as difference arrangement. So we are connecting cell in this difference arrangement and in the sum arrangement, and we are taking the measurement. Now see here. So if you want to connect the cells in a sum arrangement, what we can do? You can see here negative sum arrangement means negative of E1. You can see this is a negative of E1. And we have to connect negative of E1 to the positive of E2. So positive of E2 is at 2 point, terminal 2. So 1 and 2 we have to connect, means the key between 1 and 2 we have to insert. And the opposite key also. So this is the sum arrangement. You can see this sum arrangement. Now let us show the difference arrangement also. So that time difference arrangement means negative of E1 is connected to negative of E2. Means this is negative. We have to connect it to negative of E2. Means let us show it by blue line. So here 1 is connected to the 4. Means 1 and 4. Between 1 and 4 we have to insert the key and the opposite key. So this red shows sum arrangement and the blue shows difference arrangement. So first we have to connect for the sum arrangement and we have to take measurement. Then we have to connect for difference arrangement and we have to take the measurement. Now let's see. Now initially connect E1 and E2 such a way that they assist each other. Assist means what? Sum arrangement. Basically assist means sum arrangement. Sum arrangement means you know that negative of E1 is connected to positive of E2. Basically you know that dry cell battery. So in that dry cell battery we are connected both the cell in a sum arrangement that you have to note. Then find the balancing length such that galvanometer shows zero deflection. Then after connecting to the sum arrangement we have to find out this balancing length and the point P we have to find out. So this is point A and then A to P length we have to measure. Now let me consider this length as a L1. Now we can write the equation. This L1 means what? This sum arrangement balances potential difference across AP, similar to the previous one. See here. So we get a length L1. Now as we get length L1, it means that the sum arrangement means what? This E1 plus E2 balances potential difference across AP. So this is point A and this is P. Then we can write this as a KL1. So we get equation number 1. E1 plus E2 is equal to KL1, equation number 1. So here it is written directly. But how we get that I explained here. Now after that, we have to remove this arrangement without disturbing other thing. We have to connect the cell for the difference arrangement. Difference means what? Negative of 1 is connected to negative of 2. I can show it here by the blue line. This is difference arrangement. Then again we have to find out the balancing point P such that galvanometer shows zero deflection. As we get that point, the length AP means length L2 we have to measure. So as we get length L2, so then we can write, so here E1 minus E2 is equal to KL2, or we can write here E1 minus E2 difference arrangement is equal to potential difference across AP, or we can write KL2. So E1 minus E2 is equal to this. So here we get E1 plus E2 is equal to VAP, because E1 plus E2 balances this potential difference. So KL1. So we get E1 plus E2 is equal to this. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. As we get equation 1, equation 2, similar manner dividing equation 1 by 2. So we get E1 plus E2 in this side divided by this. So E1 plus E2 divided by E1 minus E2 is equal to L1 by L2 on the right hand side. Now we can use componendo and dividendo. By using componendo and dividendo rule in the mathematics, we can write here E1 by E2 is equal to L1 plus L2 divided by L1 minus L2. So this we get. And by using this formula, we can compare the EMF of two cells. And the formula for that we get L1 plus L2 divided by L1 minus L2. Means we can compare this EMF of two cells by using individual cell method. In that we use cell individually. And the second one is the sum and difference method. Here we use a different combination. Means sum arrangement means when the cell assists. Difference arrangement means when the cell opposes. And you have this experiment in the practicals also. Means same thing. E1 by E2 you have to find out by two methods, by individual cell and by sum and difference method.